dreaming to wake up during the crisp dawn of the day, only to have the privilege to reach towards the sun ray, to experience the sunrise, fluorescently touching my glossy eyes. Those eyes that desperately want to reach the horizon, clutching my fist to grasp the future. The best that the heart hopes will unfold with the magic of the Lord, replacing the cold. Shiver with a streak of warmth so tender and grander than before. But time is so vexingly fleeting in the blink of an eye. It closes the curtain, thoughts in the mind. They dance with such grace, the kind-hearted puppeteer seeking his place. So effortfully devised in the crevices of the mind. Of a puppeteer skilled, his artistry refined. He falls on his knees, screams into the night. What's the poetry? A body's wrestling through the fight. The time is so vexingly fleeting in the blink of an eye. It chooses it turns and downs in line. They do the touch breeze, the kind-hearted puppeteer seeking his place. Days of joy are speedy, the unpleasant ones linger, taunting the last tonight, but trains in the air. His hopes moving gently with love and despair. Don't fret, dear puppeteer, cherish swap. Days of joy will multiply, filling my heart. Green waiting scenery, so awesome a sight to behold. Memories that shine down and more precious than gold. So as dawn breaks anew, let your spirit see fly with each casting